How to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. Once you do that, navigate back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and click on the option Face ID and Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your passcode. After you type in that, you will be directed to this page. Now make sure you have enabled for all these options over here: iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless and payments, and other options. Then you can scroll down. Now click on this option Reset Face ID. Just click on it and go through the process. Then what you have to do is give a fresh restart to your device. For that, click on the power button and the volume up or volume down button at the same time. Then slide to power off. Wait for a few minutes and again turn back your phone on. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now your Face ID should work. If still you're having the issue, what you wanna do is head back, launch your Safari browser. Now navigate to Apple support page. Once you're over here, click on the option iPhone. Now here you can seek for professional help. So these are some fixes for Face ID not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.